Just give me 8 minutes and I will teach you how to make your first $1,000 as a video editor. Most video editors don't struggle to get clients because they're bad at editing. They struggle to get clients because they suck at sales and marketing. They spend hours learning perfect transitions, mastering color grading, and watching countless tutorials. But no one teaches them how to actually get clients. But here's the harsh reality, no matter how good your work is, if people don't know about it, they're not going to buy it. So you don't need to be the best video editor, you just need to learn how to get clients. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to give you a 4-step process to land clients and make your first $1,000 as a video editor. Step 1. Pick a niche. The first step is picking a niche, and I'm not going to tell you guys to be very specific with your niche because you guys are just starting out. You should just have a broader niche in your mind, like I will work with coaches, I will work with startups, I will work with local businesses. Because you guys are just starting out, you can experiment with different sub niches and double down on what's working for you. Now, most of you might have this question, why it is important to pick a niche. It is important to pick a niche because you will have clarity about what you're doing. You will not keep jumping from one niche to another niche to third niche in days or couple of weeks. This can sound silly, but this is the mistake most freelancers make when they're starting out. They keep jumping on niches. One week they're reaching out to startups, another they're reaching out to real estate agents, then they're reaching out to creators. And guess what? They don't get any results. So you need to pick a niche and stick with that niche for at least 30 days. Are you a freelancer or agency owner making more than 50,000 per month but struggling to scale beyond? You're putting in the hard work, but your income has hit a ceiling, and that's because you don't have a proper system to attract high ticket clients. Instead, you rely on referrals, undercharging, and working for long hours without any growth. And that's exactly why I've launched my mentorship program for helping freelancers and agency owners like you to cross that ceiling. In this program, I'll be personally guiding you to create an offer that attracts premium clients, setting up outreach processes that get you consistent leads, and creating a fulfillment process that allows you to scale smoothly without burning out. After joining this program, instead of guessing what works and what not works, you will have an exact roadmap of how to go from 50,000 per month to 5 lakhs per month in just 3 months. Step 2. Update your portfolio. Now, this is very basic but very common mistake most freelancers make is they don't update their portfolio. उन्होंने 1 साल पहले एक portfolio बनाया है, अभी भी वो लोग वही use कर रहे हैं. But this simple mistake can cost you thousands of dollars. Because simple फंडा यार, creative industry में जो भी trends है, the formats है, they keep on changing every 2 to 3 months or even weeks now. And clients want to adapt and try what is working right now, not what was working a year ago. So they are looking for people who are aware what's working in the industry and who are up to date with recent trends. And they are going to contemplate that by looking at your portfolio. So if your portfolio is not updated or it doesn't have what is working in current market, of course they are not going to hire you. They will prefer someone who has experience, who has done something that is working right now. I will tell you my own story. Whenever I am hiring editors for my agency, I receive hundreds of applications, okay? And out of that 100, there are always 50 to 60 people who still have old Alex Hormozzi style caption videos in their portfolio. And then they are like, भाई clients नहीं मिल रहे, भाई कैसे मिलेंगे clients? Market इतने तेजी से change हो रहा है. आजकल तो हर 1-2 महीने में there is new editing styles, there is new norms of transitions, of sound effects. So you need to understand what's working in the market, adapt to that editing style, and keep updating your portfolio. Step 3. Create a unique offer. If you want to make money in long term as a video editor, you will have to be more than a video editor. Let's say you're working for a client, he's posting videos online, but he's not good at storytelling, he's not good at writing scripts, or he has a content writer who's not doing a good job, but you are doing great editing. But at the end of the day, the video will not get views and your client will eventually leave you. So to all freelancers watching this video, you will have to become more than a service provider. You will have to become a problem solver. You will have to understand why the videos of your clients are not working. You will have to stack scales. You will have to understand why a video goes viral on social media, how to get sales, how to get more retention, how to more get CTR on a YouTube video depending upon which type of videos you are editing, and then give your client feedback or tell your clients, I can help you with this as well. Because at the end of the day, if your client is not making money or not achieving whatever he wants, of course he's going to leave you. So you will have to ask yourself before reaching out to client ki whom I can help with my skill set, what is their major pain point, how I can solve that pain point, and then you can start pitching that to the clients ki I will come in and solve that pain point for you. If you go in with this approach, you can make a lot of money. Number 4, free upfront work. the easiest way to get high paying clients in 2025 is to provide free upfront work to the right people, because you need to understand अभी market में बहुत clutter हो चुका है. Let's say if you are posting a job applications, we are getting hundreds of applicants, but उनमें से सिर्फ 5 या 6 are actually good at what they do. So if you're good at what you do, please don't hesitate from providing free upfront value, because that is a way you differentiate yourself from competition and build instant trust. Let's say there are two guys reaching out to a client. One is telling, I'm a video editor, I can do short form videos for you. There is another guy who's telling, hi, I'm Ganesh, I love your content, I've learned a lot from your videos, and I am a video editor. I just started video editing 6 months ago, so I made a free video for you. I would love to hear your feedback. If you reach out to clients in this way, the probability of them replying to you is very high. Of course, your work should be good. If your work is not good, you have to put in the reps, improve your quality of work, and get better. And the best thing about this is there is very low competition in this, because it requires a lot of work and many people will not do it or quit too early. So if you can keep doing this even for a month, and if you're doing 3 short form videos per day, 100% you will have 2 to 3 clients in a month. And there is nothing magical about it. It's simple max. Let's say you are sending 90 short form edits per month for free, okay? And you're getting only 10% reply rate, which is 9, and you are able to book 5 calls out of that. If you're good at sales, if you're decent at sales, you can easily close 2 clients from that. So guys, that's it for today's video. अगर आपको आज के वीडियो से कुछ भी सीखने के लिए मिला है, तो please make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.